rock.
Yeah. Well, I guess there's this thing there.
And a phone.
Do you
The
know what
ceilings are not bad here.
Do you know what the offer is on the house?
Oh no, they wouldn't tell me that because that's not fair to the people, you know, they know
Yeah.
$20 more.
This will be
But
cool.
obviously it wasn't asking, otherwise they would have come along.
Cool finished room.
Oh, I said there was a door and I couldn't.
Oh, and here's a shower.
Oh, then
This is so interesting. Like,
So this is the second family?
sense without it being finished at all.
This is where the second family would live then? Down
Oh,
here?
that's where it would be.
It's got a
shower
sink
here and
and a
a toilet
bathroom and
sink.
toilet, room for a
Exactly.
bed. They were just coming through the back door.
And there's the back door.
Mm-hmm. This is the second.
We could rent it out, babe.
Yeah, I mean, my God.